Hi everybody, welcome to Lips, Shoes, and Issues. I'm Jeannie. Thanks for tuning in. Please subscribe. I'd really appreciate it. I'm here for a little quick lip tip. Just going to keep it easy. Oh, and I know I told you guys before the Bobbi Brown Dusty Mauve, I was going to let you know when I'm wearing it, and I'm wearing it this morning. It's the only thing that I have on my eyes, besides the eyeliner and the mascara. I'm not wearing any other color on my eyelids except for the Dusty Mauve, and I love it. I think it's really beautiful. The blush that I'm wearing is NYX Sweet Cheeks, which I'm in love with these blushes, and this color is called Bombshell. And I just put it on so it'll, I know it's a little bright right now, but it will fade in, a few minutes. But, and I'm wearing Chanel foundation, which I love Chanel the Lumiere Velvet. And the color, I'll let you know, is 30 Beige. So, love this foundation. But here for a quick lip tip. Now, have you ever, put on a lipstick and you keep looking at it and you think, oh, you know what, this is too dark. It's too dark for, where I'm going. It's too dark for what I'm doing. I love dark lipsticks. But I'm going to give you a little trick as to how to fix that, because you don't want to not wear your dark lipstick anymore. You just want to make it look right for the mood you're in. So I'm going to put on the Bobbi Brown Blackberry, which is one of her darkest, if not darkest. I would call this color a dark cinnamon. Very dark. And honestly, I don't mind dark. But if I'm going to work or I'm running around or I'm doing something during the day, I feel like this is too dark. So, I have a lipstick called, it's from Dior, Rouge Dior, and it's ultra light. And I'm going to show you the color. It's white. It's a white lipstick. And this will lighten up whatever dark lipstick that you're wearing. And it will also brighten up a dark pink that you're wearing. There's one other, I think Kate Devon. I think I have an eyeliner from her, so sorry if I'm chopping up her name. I probably should know it. But she makes a white lipstick also. But I have Dior, so I never tested hers. But this one is, it's a beautiful formula. It is on the higher end, but it's a beautiful formula. So now you can either use this or you can use your finger if you don't want to get the color on the lipstick. See how it's lightening it up? This is a very creamy lipstick. It's not matte, it's not drying. I just changed the color of the lipstick altogether. Now I have two lipsticks. As a matter of fact, with this lipstick, You basically double the color of all of your lipsticks. And it's, quite frankly, another beautiful color that I just put on. So I put on the Blackberry. I thought, I don't know. I like the color. It's too dark. But, you know, I would like it a little lighter. Well, quick fix. It is moisturizing. It feels good. It feels awesome. And I think if you're going to do something like this, you want to double the colors of all of your lipsticks. Nothing wrong with getting a higher end of one of these, because you're going to get a good formula. It's going to feel good, and it is Dior. And so there you go. Thanks for tuning in. Just a quick lip tip. Please subscribe. Love you.